Today I'll walk you through how to find missing subscribers in MailerLite so you can track down any contact that seems to have vanished from your list. If this helps, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. Start by logging in and navigating to your subscribers section, the central hub for everything we'll do today. Type the subscriber's email address or name into the search bar and see what comes up. If nothing appears, your first move is to verify the spelling. One small typo is all it takes to make a real subscriber look completely absent. Open your groups and check each one individually. Subscribers assigned to a specific group often won't surface in your default view, so this step is easy to overlook. Then look at your segments. The subscriber may exist in your account but simply fail to meet that segment's filter conditions, which makes them invisible without actually being gone. Try a partial search next, using just part of the name or email address. This can catch records with minor data inconsistencies that a full string search would miss. Sort by most recently added subscribers and scan the top of that list. A newly imported or signed up contact should appear near the top. If they came from a file import, open your import history and review the report to confirm whether that record was successfully added. Then check the import error report specifically. Failed rows are often dropped silently, and your missing contact may be listed there. If they joined through a sign-up form, pull up recent form submissions and confirm that MailerLite actually received that entry on its end. With double opt-in enabled, the subscriber may simply be waiting to confirm their email. Check for pending contacts before assuming anyone is lost. Look through your unsubscribed contacts list. They may have previously opted out. Then review your bounced subscribers, since hard bounces can remove contacts from active visibility entirely. Scan spam complaint records and your suppression list as well. Contacts flagged for delivery or compliance reasons are excluded from regular list views automatically. On the automation side, review any workflows that move subscribers between groups. Your contact may have been reassigned without you realizing it, so check your group membership rules for the same reason. If you use custom fields, try searching by company name, phone number, or other stored data. And if multiple team members have account access, review the user activity logs for any recent changes to subscriber records. Finally, clear any active filters in your subscriber view. A filter you've forgotten about can easily hide perfectly healthy contacts from sight. And that's how you track down missing subscribers in MailerLite, methodically covering everything from the search bar to imports, automations, and filters. Hit like if this saved you time and subscribe for more practical email marketing tips. See you in the next one.